You stay in poverty until you learn all the lessons that poverty has to teach you. And the first lesson of poverty is my fault. It's it. Like, it's my fault that I'm here. The second point that I wanted to make was with regards to employees leveling up. We talked about how, like, you want to network with people above you. You do all the work before the meeting. You do it as though it were a paid project that someone had hired you to do. If you start doing the job that you want while also doing the job that you're paid for, it will become inevitable that you will get that job because you're already doing it. And so if you front the work, if somebody on Andy's team's like, dude, I think we should get on Snapchat. I don't know if you're on Snapchat, whatever, I'm just making this up, right? And it's like, dude, I already cut up the next 30 days worth of stuff, already did this thing, already did it. There's two things that'll happen. One, I can virtually guarantee you that he'd be like, if you can run it, run it. Either he will give you be like, dude, because of the increase in responsibility, I'll give you the pay bump. Sure. But the smart ones of you be like, no, I'm just here for the brand. Like, you can deny, like, if you're smart, you'll deny the short-term pay bump and you'll gain the long-term goodwill because he will recognize you as a player. And I'm telling you, this is what the people in the room, like, they see each other like, he's a winner. Yeah. Like, I already know it. Yeah. Like, this is how you do it. This is how you move up. And I love the word you said, undeniable, because, like, one of the other rules of poverty is that no one wants you to be rich.
And no one's going to give you their riches.
No, yeah, like, no one wants you to be rich. Like, you have to want to be rich, and you have to make it. I mean, this is a Steve Martin thing, where it's like, you have to be so good that they can't ignore you.
That's
like,
it.
And when someone can't ignore you, then everyone then acquiesces. They just comply. They're like, you have to gain leverage over other people because of how much better you are at the thing. And then when you have the leverage, you can do whatever you want.